Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is April 28th, 2014, and I wanted to go over our trading today. Why don't I start with crude oil? Crude oil didn't offer us a whole lot. Right here, we really had a nice trade. The 50 was down. $15 was down. We had a move through the modified 15. And a retracement, and then a potential continuation short. It just went nowhere, and it cost me 10 ticks. That was the first trade. It's never a great deal when your first trade doesn't work for you, but that's how the market's set up, and we continued. There was a lot of chop. Then we got a move through, retracement, all we could get was 5 ticks, first target. Then did it again. Move through, pivot broken. Actually, this pivot was broken here. Up. This gave us some heat. And down for 6. And that was really about all that crude oil had to offer for us today. Now the Russell had some nice trading opportunities. They just didn't align perfectly, and I may have been a little bit overly conservative on some of these trades, because there were some great trend trades here, I got to tell you. Now this C candle here is off the modified 15, but you can see we have our bias, and that was down. And you know, when you're trading the right edge, it's always tougher. But we had opened up some space between the 50 and the 15, but you can see this C candle just rocked this next retracement. Now the move is way overextended, but boy, that one did too. That one really did too. And having to trade the right edge is always gives you 20/20 vision. But same thing happened again. This was really a nice entry, and one that I should have caught for this nice move up. And you can see again, bias. Our bias indicators really helping us and telling us that multiple other time frames are giving us long signals. Should take them long. Then we got this B candle. Should have taken it long. I mean, the Russell gave us a lot. Now this was a entry into a pivot. We don't trade into those. Then there was a C. 50's rolling, 15's down, 15's down, 50's rolling. That went 27. Finally caught a move. Should have caught a lot more of these moves, actually. Same here. Now here we don't have our bias, and it's into a swing pivot. So if you don't take this trade, no problem. This is a little bit of a risky trade and doesn't have our bias indicator with you. Now this is a clean break of the 50 with the 15 down. I just tried to play it safe, take a retracement, and then a move down. Didn't happen. Took a bounce off the 50 for 8 ticks right here. See, the Russell really did offer us a lot. Went 8. Actually, it went 20 somewhat. It went 28 ticks, but because we moved our stop to break even on a first target, it came back and took us out of the trade. So we only got a first target out of it. This would have been a really nice trade, but we weren't trading anymore. Right here. This is a really beautiful C candle entry. And we have gold. This is really a beautiful trade. Another really pretty trade. You notice bias is with us, order flow and momentum are with us. Get a move up or a retracement, goes nowhere. So we had 2 losers today. Nothing you can do about that. This move down was on a yellow modified 15, and just no way to take it. Then we had this real nice bounce here. 50's down, 15's down, nice retracement, down we go for 20 ticks. Again, on a rolling 50, nice trade to the upside, nice trade to the upside. In both cases, we had confirmation with our bias indicator. Background is light green. So a little bit too conservative, I think, today in terms of my trading. The 2 trades that I did take that were losers were perfect trend trades. Perfect. Retracements into an intact trend that just did not go anywhere. No way to filter those out. So here's how we wound up for the day. Now we had 7 trades. The first 2 trades I took were losers. So, it was a dauntingly depressing start, minus 10, but then I had 5 winners in a row, plus 27 and plus 8 on the Russell, plus 5 and plus 6 on crude, and plus 20 on gold. So our total ticks were 46. But, our targets are 5 ticks and 10 ticks, and then we're out of the trade. And so our net equity for the day was only $100. Now, the auto trader took the same 2 losses that I took. So it lost $600 today. Two perfect trade setups. So it was a shaky day today. Not a great day, not a terrible day. A drawdown day for the auto trader. We managed to trade our way back to $100, but it took 5 winners to overcome these 2 losers because 3 of the targets were only first targets, which only gave us $100. 2 of our trades were second targets. They gave us $300. So we had net equity in the positive of 300, 600, 700, 800, 900, and these 2 losers were 400 each, so we only made $100. That's why day trading for a living is very, very difficult. You have to scale out of your trade, you have to set targets, and you really, really have to minimize your losers. And you really got to capitalize on all the trades that the market sets up for you, and I don't think I did that as well as I could have. I think the system and the software gave us entries, and I didn't capitalize on them as well as I could have. Well, that's it for today. I mean, we did make money. The Auto Trader did not. But remember, these are not cumulative losses. The two losses that I took are the same two losses that the Auto Trader took. If you're trading them both and you took the discretionary trades, you made $100 today. These aren't separate losers. So I hope everybody has a really great day, and I will see everybody back in the room tomorrow. Remember, you're always welcome to come in for a free trial. And to sign up for a free trial to our live trading room, you can go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There we have links to a spreadsheet that shows our net equity for the day, every day, in a nice Excel spreadsheet form. It also shows our net equity on a daily basis for the Auto Trader. And there's also a link to sign up for our live trading room. We'd love to have you in the trading room for a week. You can go to info@rightlinetrading.com and email us, and you're welcome to call us at 1-855-765-6681. If you'd like a free trial of our software, we'll also be happy to give you that. Just give us a call or send us a contact request, ask for it, and we will send it out to you. So everyone have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.